My name is Lars Jonsson and I live here in Zealand in Denmark. And I bought this Amazon a couple years ago. I needed a machine who could fix the soil when it's plowed, and my own land I do by the conservation agriculture, which means I don't use any plow for my own land. I have a colleague who wants to get plowed, so I needed a machine who could take care of the soil, even if it's plowed and even if it's not plowed. One of the reasons I chose this machine is that you can put some no-till disc here in this part. If I only have a soil who is needed to go by the conservation agriculture system, then I can put no-till disc here in front, and then the machine is ready for no-till or conservation agriculture. The part here for the fertilizer is very good, and we need that in the system with for conservation agriculture. We give a little fertilizer in the autumn, some phosphor and some kali, and that's very good, and a little bit of nitrogen. I looked to Amazon, and they told me that this was the best machine for the job, and I have tried some other machines, and I get back, and then I bought Amazon, and I'm very satisfied with the Amazon for that kind of soil we have here in the north of Zealand, and to the system with conservation agriculture.